In this video, I will talk about how to launch the data analysis function. Since it's very useful, it can be used to generate the ANOVA table, or it can be used to generate the t-test table. First, go to the search bar. It will be on the top of your Excel screen. So type out options and then go to the add-ins, analysis Toolpak, select this one, and after you highlight this one, since I already activated, if you haven't activated it yet, you may find the analysis Toolpak in this area, but highlight it and then click Go. Make sure you already selected the analysis Toolpak, since it is the one we will use to do those analyses. Click OK. So how to say if you already launched it or not? Go to the Data tab and then go to the Analysis panel. If you already have the data analysis function, then you are done. And if you select it, we can do ANOVA test, we can do t-test. That's it. In this video, I will talk something about the data analysis function. How to install it on your computer. First, go to the search bar. It will be on the top of your screen. Type out options and then go to the add-ins. Select analysis Toolpak. Since I already installed it, so I can find my analysis Toolpak in this area, active application add-ins. If you haven't installed it, then you may find the analysis Toolpak within this area. And then click OK. Before you click OK, then go to the manager bar and click Go. Make sure you select this one, analysis Toolpak, then click OK. So if you already installed the data analysis function, you can find it in your analysis panel under the data tab.